body paragraphs. Body paragraphs are not different. They are similar to the introductory paragraph, but the main difference is that here you have to take one aspect and you have to talk about it in a detailed or prolonged form. Suppose I explain it with a very simple example. You go to visit a new school for your child's admission. When you enter a step into the school, it's just a school building, but you can see that there are different labels along the different classrooms, like there are labs, there are science rooms, music rooms, discussion rooms, conference rooms, sports rooms. So these are different types of rooms there, marked with different labels. If school was your topic, then the labels outside different classrooms are your outlines. So when you step into one room, you will see that it has a different shape, structure, or design, having different type of elements or commodities or goods. So similarly, in your body paragraphs, you take an aspect from outline and you discuss it in detail as per that aspect. I make it very simple for you that how you can write good body paragraph in 3 simple steps. First of all, give a clear topic sentence which may mention that which dimension or aspect of the essay you are going to talk about. Number 2, elaborate that topic sentence with strong thesis or argument, or explain it in a very comprehensive way. And finally, you have to prove your argument with some strong thesis, some stats, references, evidence, or study data, whatever you have. It will endorse or lock your opinion or statement. So this is a very simple step. Now you can also combine 1 to 2 other aspects which are relevant to the main aspects. Here I am going to present in front of you a very good example of a body paragraph. So let's have a look at it. Look at this body paragraph. It is about religious misinterpretation as a cause of female illiteracy in Pakistan. So the topic was, what are the causes of female illiteracy in Pakistan? And its one body paragraph or one outline was religious misinterpretation. So we were talking about the causes of female illiteracy, and among those causes, one of the cause was religious misinterpretation. यानी मजहब की गलत तशरीह जो है वो भी एक वजह है कि औरतों को तालीम क्यों नहीं दिलवाई जाती, या औरतों में शरअ तालीम की कमी की एक वजह जो है मजहब की गलत तर्जुमानी है. अब इसके ऊपर हम पैराग्राफ लिख रहे हैं तो इसको मैं जिस तरह एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई स्टार्ट विद द टॉपिक सेंटेंस. इन पाकिस्तान religious misinterpretation has been a major factor contributing to the persistently high rates of female illiteracy. Although आगे फिर मैंने कनेक्टर यूज किया है, लिंकिंग वर्ब यूज किया. इस्लाम strongly advocates education for both men and women. रेफरेंस आ गया as Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him declared seeking knowledge is obligation upon every Muslim. हैरीत का रेफरेंस आ गया. फिर cultural traditions often disguised as religious doctrines have hindered girls access to education. Then we were talking about cultural traditions often disguised as. अब देखें, religious aspect के साथ मैंने culture का aspect जोड़ दिया ताकि उसको थोड़ा सा मैनिपुलेट करके इसकी एक्सटेंशन में जा सकूं. फिर आगे फिर मैं स्टैटिस्टिकल डाटा पेश कर रहा हूं. अकॉर्डिंग टू पाकिस्तान सोशल एंड लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड्स मेजरमेंट सर्वे, द फीमेल लिटरेसी रेट स्टैंड्स जस्ट अबाउट 51% compared to 71% of males, with rural areas showing even starker gaps. Historical events such as the rise of extremist ideologies during and after the Afghan-Soviet war led to spread of rigid interpretations of Islam in Pakistan, particularly in regions like Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan, where girls' schooling was severely restricted. Last में, moreover, incidents like I have talked about different incidents. So students, this was the real thing actually the examiner was asking, और यहीं पे स्टूडेंट्स सबसे ज़्यादा गलती करते हैं जो कि फेलियर की बड़ी वजह है कि स्टूडेंट्स, उसने आपसे कहा था कि आपको सारे स्टाइल्स या नैरेटिव, एक्सपोजिटरी, डिस्क्रिप्टिव, आर्गुमेंटेटिव मिक्स करके लिखने हैं. यानी जब आप लिखेंगे तो आपको उसके लिए क्रैमिंग नहीं बल्कि सारे स्टाइल्स को मिक्स करना ही पड़ेगा. उसके बगैर आप कभी भी जो है एनेक्डोटल रेफरेंसेज या हिस्टोरिकल रेफरेंसेज, नैरेटिव अप्रोच, आर्गुमेंटेटिव अप्रोच आपकी नहीं बन पाएगी. तो यही वजह है कि हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जब वो लिखते हैं तो वो उनके अंदर वो वैरायटी नहीं होती और इसकी वजह से जब कैसे जब फेल हो जाता है. अदरवाइज इट्स नॉट एन अपहिल task to gain or obtain good marks in your essay. So systematically talking about the length and width of the body paragraph, you should start it with a topic sentence and try to write 8 to 11 sentences that are enough. In a single line you carry 10 to 12 words, and in an 8 to 11 line sentences there is a margin of 120 to 150 words. So within 25 and 30 paragraphs under each outline you can easily fulfill the required length by your examiner. So talking about the conclusion, you should try to give a good conclusion. It should be based on good idea, suggestion, or better prospect for future. So here was the brief structure of your essay. And students, in the last part of the video, I would always advise you and suggest you that you should get your essays checked from authentic source like good English teacher, not a CSP officer, because the reason is that an English teacher can guide you in a better way and he can point out the grammatical mistakes or the type of structural mistakes, but try to make it sure that the teacher you are going to consult is he or she might have undergone the process of CSS or PMS, because in that case he would be able to better judge or examine your essay. So here I would like to pack my discussion. So if you will follow these instructions, I am sure you can easily come out of the orbit of failure. So if you have any question or queries, you may contact me. And in order to get the book, you can contact on my WhatsApp number. It is just available on home delivery, not available in the market. And you can also get your essays evaluated from me. I have shared my number on screen. If you feel any difficulties, please contact me. So if you like this video, just click the like button and subscribe this channel for more informative and positive videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.